In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Excalidraw in Obsidian. If you're looking to incorporate rich visual elements into your notes, Excalidraw is a fantastic choice, as it lets you create and integrate hand-drawn-like illustrations directly within Obsidian. Let's dive in and explore how to get started with this powerful tool. The first thing you'll need to do is ensure that the Excalidraw plugin is both installed and enabled in your Obsidian setup. If you're not familiar with how to do this, you'll generally head to the Community Plugins section in Obsidian, search for Excalidraw, and then click to install and activate it. It's a straightforward process, but absolutely essential before you can move forward and leverage Excaladraw's functionality. Once you have Excalidraw up and running, the magic begins with the use of Obsidian's command palette. This is essentially a smart assistant within Obsidian, helping you quickly run commands without getting lost in menus. To access it, press either Ctrl and P or CMD and P on your keyboard, depending on whether you're a Windows or Mac user. This will bring up the command palette, which is a sort of search box where you can enter different commands and actions. In the palette, you'll want to look up commands related to Excalidraw. For starters, search for the command Create New Excalidraw Drawing. When you select this command, a blank Excalidraw canvas will open up. This is your playground where you can start creating diagrams, sketches, mind maps, or any visual representation that complements your textual notes. Experiment with different shapes, text elements, and brushes to make the illustrations exactly how you envision them. Additionally, Excalidraw isn't just isolated to its own spaces. You can also insert these drawings directly into your existing notes, making your Obsidian vaults even more dynamic. To do this, utilize the command Insert Excalidraw Drawing into ActiveNote through the command palette. This lets you integrate your drawings seamlessly, enriching your notes with visual aids and making complex information more digestible and engaging. The great thing about these commands is their context sensitivity. What this means is that depending on whether you're in a drawing or a note, the commands will adjust to facilitate what you need. This thoughtful design makes using Excalidraw within Obsidian both intuitive and efficient once you get the hang of it. Using visuals in note-taking not only makes your content more compelling, but can also significantly enhance your understanding and retention of information. So, with this newfound ability to incorporate sketches and diagrams, you're well on your way to transforming your Obsidian notes into a multidimensional resource. We've now covered how to integrate and use Excalidraw in Obsidian. I hope this guide makes the process clear and empowers you to bring your notes to life with creative flair. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.